Where does confidence come from? It comes from clearly understanding the task, right? i.e. fluency. So many dogs are not confident because we don't train their behaviors well enough. We don't train them to fluency, meaning the dog responds to your cue immediately. When your dog responds, the behavior meets criteria, and the dog can do this consistently over time. That's fluency. Now the dog is going to feel confident. So I'm just calling him back to me, reinforcing him, sending him to the target. As soon as he gets there, yes, and he gets a cookie on there. And then I'm calling him right back. So there's a reason for him to run back, right? So he's running to the target, from the target right back to me, and then back to the so then I went to do some tricks, and he's like, oh, wait, let me run to the target. That's exactly what I want. Like, he just left and was like, Target's a great place. Yeah. So then I jackpotted him. Why? Because I don't care that he just ran over to there. I want him to want to run there, to love the target, and to think it's the best thing ever. To teach the dog to do a push against your leg. My dogs don't have that. You could do a sustained hand touch. So here, he's doing a sustained hand touch as a trick, right? And again, when he's doing that trick, it's if I had someone taping me, you could see his face. He's like really happy on the edge of his seat because he's like, look, Ma, I'm doing the trick. And now he's thinking about that, and he's not thinking about the environment. The goal is not the actual behavior, right? The goal is creating a positive emotional state